In 1995, when I attended my first yoga class, I was a beginner in a class of students who were not beginners. They had been there for weeks, months, even years, and I had no clue what I was doing. But I was tenacious and determined, and I stuck with it, and I persevered. And now, many years later, I'm a yoga teacher, and I've seen hundreds of students come into my classes with no clue what to do as well, just as I was. And some of them persevere and ultimately succeed, but some struggle a bit. And so I decided to create a 10-week course in which we could establish a foundation of yoga so that they can build a practice of their own and they can feel more comfortable and confident to join group classes. The videos in this 10-week series are actual classes with real students, beginners such as yourself, learning to overcome the same challenges that you may encounter. You'll see students of all shapes and sizes and abilities and how we modify the poses to suit them, just as you will modify poses for yourself. In each class, I will introduce you to a group of the most common yoga poses that you'll encounter in a typical class. We cover posture and breath awareness, sun salutations, common standing poses, including twists and balances, as well as backbends, from the most gentle to the more complex, and finally seated postures. So in the final 10th lesson, I guide you through a gently flowing sequence in which I incorporate many of the poses learned in the previous lessons. And this is where all of the pieces start to fall into place. This is a routine that you can practice time and time again until you feel confident that you can add your own personal touch to it. By the end of the course, I hope that you will feel comfortable and confident to join group yoga classes, or more importantly, to develop a practice for yourself at home. Because ultimately, this is where the magic of yoga begins. This is where you will start to make discoveries about yourself and about your body, about your mind and your spirit. What's more, if at any point you have questions, I encourage you to contact me personally, and I will respond either via email, phone, or video conference. I want to see you succeed. I want you to discover how yoga can be the keystone habit that alters your life for the better. I wish you all the best on your yoga journey. Thank you.